Are you looking to find a collision repair school near you? Here's how. Head over to collisionrepaireducationfoundation.org. In the top right corner, hit the Schools and Grants button. Scroll down the page and find our school locator. Once there, hit the View School Locator button and head into our map. You can use this area to search by zip code or to click on the highlighted map areas to select the school of your choice. Within each school listed, you'll find ample school information, including contact, address, and a form to fill out in order for you to make contact with them directly. Heading back to the school locator map, you can also search with your own personal zip code. Enter it into the bars that you see and click search. Scroll down to the map once more and it will be auto-populated with all the schools near that zip code selected. Read the information below here on each location or scroll to the map area and click your desired location from there. Once selected, you can navigate through the school information, fill out the form selected to contact them directly, or hit previous or next listing to scroll through the list in order. It's as easy as that. Happy navigating!